I'm going to be changing out the taillights in my 2005 Lotus Elise. This is a super quick process and in my opinion is one of the easiest ways to make the car look way newer than it actually is. To this. I think this is going to look great. What I have in here currently is, I believe these are the GRP V2 taillights. You can see obviously this is my inner one with my reverse and my outer one. And they're just kind of a little bit old and outdated. So I grabbed these used, I believe these are the V3s, and it should take me about less than 10 minutes to install them. First things first, we need to take out my old taillights. This is a generic 8mm. And then a bolt on the top and bottom of each one, and then just unclip the harness a little bit downline. But things can never be this easy, so I'm waiting to see where this goes wrong. And this is it. Going from the old taillight, you can see where this one's actually kind of collapsed. I honestly just realized that. To the newer version, I think the biggest difference, obviously, besides the fact that it looks better, is the reverse light ditches this weird yellow ring here, which I hate. They took my fucking eyes. This is a 1-for-1 replacement, so all I have to do is put these back through here. These taillights are an exact 1-for-1 replacement from the factory one, so all I have to do now is feed the harness through there, line up the bolt holes, and then screw it in from the other side. Now, because it's just this very thin piece of fiberglass here that holds this on, it's super important that you A, use a small washer on the other side, and B, make sure that you don't tighten the bolt in too much because it will crack the fiberglass. Ask me how I know. Easy, breezy, beautiful cover girl. Now we need to test them to make sure that all the wiring is good. Moment of truth. Oh, those look awesome. Oh my God. Why? Why can't I just have nice things? It's out on this side too. Oh my God. I hate it here. I knew this was going to swell. Womp womp. I do just want to say that I bought these used. They were not shipped from GRP like these. These are used taillights. I still think that even though they need to be fixed right here, it still looks significantly better than what we started with. Thanks for watching.